This 5-minute solution will show you how to change your email address on Discord from mobile device. So to change your email address, follow these easy steps. Go ahead and launch the Discord app on your mobile. Make sure to log into your Discord account. Then tap on this profile icon at the bottom right. And now tap on account and tap on email. And to change your email, first of all, you have to verify your current email address. So click on send verification code. And now I'm going to my Gmail and copying the verification code from here and pasting it here. Next. And now I can easily change my Discord email address. After writing your new email, click on change email and your Discord email address will be changed. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.